Ever wonder what that pop actually is when you crack your knuckles? It's not your bones, and it's weirder than you'd think. Stick with me. Inside every joint, there's a little capsule filled with a slippery fluid that stops your bones grinding. When you pull or bend the joint, you suddenly stretch that capsule and the pressure inside drops. And here's the twist. That drop is so sudden that a gas bubble instantly forms in the fluid, out of nowhere. Then it collapses just as fast, and that tiny collapse is the pop you hear. Not your bones at all. And why can't you crack it again right away? The gas takes about 20 minutes to dissolve back in.